going on, amazing people? It's your girl Naja, and I'm back with another video. You guys, today I am unboxing my RYZE starter kit, okay? Y'all, I've been dealing with RYZE. Well, I'm not gonna say dealing with RYZE because this is not an ad. They did not pay me for this. It's come out of my own money, okay? But I've been, let's say, I've been using RYZE for a little minute now. Unfortunately, I did stop using them. Big mistake. Okay? So I am happy to say I am back on my RYZE. But I've never gotten this starter kit. I've always just gotten like just a bag of coffee. So let's unbox this and see what's in here, okay? So I'm excited. Y'all, if you have not seen my other videos about RYZE, please go check them out. And I'm trying not to show my address. I did an unboxing. No, I did a taste test. That's my first video. My second video was a 30-day results. Like, I tried it for 30 days. And, like, how was it, right? So, was this on here? So, make sure y'all check out those two videos. I will link it. Oh, that something's spilling out. Okay. Let's open it. Okay. Okay. So, the first thing in here is RYZE tasting box. The RYZE Latte Collection. Now, what's in here? What's this? Mushroom Coffee Latte Plus. Caramel Coffee Latte. Mental clarity and digestive support. Yeah. That's pretty neat because I didn't see this on there when I ordered this. Must be like a free gift or something, but I'm here for it. Okay. So, what is this? A bookmark or something? How to RYZE. Okay. Daily gratitude prompts at the time of your choosing. Okay. I think they do give out like emails. They do send out emails about just sending like motivational stuff. Sometimes it's the small changes that have the biggest impact in our lives. And this is by the founder. Oh Lord. And this is the bag. Okay, that might be a little better. Alright, what's next? RYZE, have a favorite RYZE latte flavor. Oh, wait a minute. Is there different flavors in here? It is! Oh my God. Okay, vanilla coffee latte, right? Okay. Caramel coffee latte. Okay. This is the vanilla. And mocha coffee latte. Y'all, I didn't even know that. So they give you 2 flavors of each. Y'all. What? Okay, so I will be doing a review. I don't even think I've ever had a latte, so I really don't know how lattes are supposed to taste. Oh, look at the details in the packaging, right? You see this? And then there's like a little message. Feeling better starts today. That is so dope. Literally. Uh-oh. Hold on. There we go. That is so dope. Like, literally dope. Okay. Wait, okay. The RYZE Superfood Creamer. I think I want to taste this today. We're going to do a review. Or should I just leave this video as an unboxing? I'm not sure. No, I'm going to review the creamer today too. You see it? There we go. I'm going to review the coffee creamer today too after this. So, yes, stay tuned. RYZE Mushroom Coffee. So they also have, I think, a darker roast, rich and robust. Yeah. They have a darker roast. I've been wanting to try this, y'all. Oh my God. The hot cocoa for sleep support. I've been wanting to try this so bad. Of course, we get a magnet. We get a spoon. I have been wanting this so bad. The actual scooper cup. It gives the right amount, because usually I'll just use like a tablespoon, like a measuring cup tablespoon. But this is like the amount to use, so we're gonna use it. What's next? Move this knife out the way. This is a card for 50% off your first order of the dark roast. So they give you all kind of coupons and stuff. Oh, and I got the gummies. Okay, RYZE Mushroom Multi Gummies. In the flavor Sunbeam Strawberry. Okay, energy, focus, daily immune support. Y'all. Okay, now we have a RYZE Superfood Creamer in the flavor Peppermint Mocha. This is what I'm skeptical about. I'm not gonna lie. You know what? I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna do a 2-day review. Okay? The first day is gonna be this mocha, the regular. No, is this the right one? The first day is going to be this regular coffee creamer, right? And then, can y'all see it? There we go. And then the second day is gonna be this coffee creamer, because I don't want this video to be too long. And then we have the coffee. Oh shit, Lord. Yes, we have the actual mushroom. Ow. Okay. We have the actual mushroom coffee, you guys. When I tell y'all, my little sister put me on. And she was like, no, you need to try this coffee because it'll help you with your digestive system. It'll help you with clarity. I'm like, girl, it's literally a coffee. Like, it's, no. But when I tell you, y'all, when I tell you, she was not lying. Like, I'm trying to put this, like, she was not lying. Look at my 30-day review. Like, seriously. This is one of the best decisions I have ever made by drinking this coffee. Like, seriously, no doubt, no joke. Because it, like, the first day I tried it, and a lot of people are like, this don't work, da da da. It's not gonna work for everybody. And I wish people would understand, like, it's not gonna work for everybody. Unfortunately, it didn't work for you, but it definitely worked for me. And once again, they are not paying me to say this. This is like real life, okay? If I did not like it, I definitely wouldn't be recording it and putting it on the internet. So, with that being said, I'm excited because it's like I got new toys. I got so much to try, and I'm here for it. And then they give you instructions in the box. See? Inside the box. Like, you know what? I'm here for it. So let's do this. If you guys have any questions, make sure you check out my other 2 videos. Like I said earlier, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Hit me up, okay? I'm definitely gonna be trying this. Okay, I might make it 3 days. No. Day 1, day 2, and then the latte day 3. Or I might just make this latte a separate video. Either way, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys, okay? So, if you have any questions about RYZE, skeptical about RYZE, leave me a comment. If you have tried RYZE before, leave me a mushroom emoji in the comments, okay? And also, what has it done for you? Because I'm telling you, it's been wonders for me, and I can definitely tell the difference. And I'm just like, girl, get the coffee back, okay? Just stop playing, get back on your ish, okay? So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment below. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show y'all what come in the starter pack. So, at the end of the day, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel.